Hello everyone. Today we're talking about how to use ZM615 unattended application. You can see the screen and buttons. So they have F1 is way in button, F2 is way out button, F4 is reprint last tickets button. And also you can see BD1 deactive, BD2 deactive. Means right now vehicle detect 1 and vehicle detect 2 are deactive, and right now it's show ready, scale is ready. So when drive truck close with scale, trigger the sensor, scale zeroed, show drive on. Also the traffic light changed to green. So in this case you just drive on the scale. And you could, if you have RFID card, you just scan the card. If you don't, you just press F1 key to weigh in, enter your truck ID. Right now I use 1. It will show weigh in and saved. Then you drive off the scale. So when you come back, the trigger the sensor 2, zero the scale, show drive on, and the traffic light change to green. You drive on the scale. If you weigh out, you can scan the car. If you don't have the car, press F2, enter your truck ID. For example 1, press F3 key. It will show if found this truck in a loop, you will weigh out, print the tickets, then ask you drive off. You drive off. When drive on means you can see the traffic light is flashing green. Then you drive off. When you drive off, the traffic light change to red until next vehicle come in to trigger the sensor again. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.